Hello guys, once again welcome to Crypto Daily TV. So guys, please and please if you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like my videos and also comment on my video. So today I'll be sharing with you a new Dogecoin investment site. It's called doteinvest.cc. Don't worry about the link is in the description box. Kindly click on it so that I could be able to lead you straight to this platform. So guys, first of all, when you come to this platform, you need to register a new account with them. So all you need to do is follow my link to register a new account with them. That's all you basically need to do. So after you are done with the registration, this is how your dashboard will look like. So as you can see, I'm having 1.1 USDT. So this is how the platform look like. First of all, if you want to invest, you click on the invest button over here. So when we click on the invest button, you could see so many plans over here. So you could see VIP1. So when you come here, you could see VIP1. So when you click on invest, you could see that when we invest 10 USDT, at the end of the day we will get 10.50 USDT. So another VIP start from 20 USDT. When you invest 20 USDT, you get 1.1 USDT for 3 days. So when you click on invest, you get 23.3 USDT after 3 days. So guys, this site is really legit and it's really cool. All you need to do is to sign up a new account with them and benefit from this site. So guys, thank you all for watching this video. If you really find it informative, give me a thumbs up, like my videos, and also comment on the videos. Thank you for watching Crypto Daily TV.